Hello, this is needlepornos.com, and today I'll be showing you these plush crafts that I made. So, I made a cupcake, a cat, a little bunny, a fox, and I'm going to show you how to do the plugging on the owl. So they provide you with these little bags with the fabric squares needed to finish the project. So I just need to finish the 4s. This is the kind where they provide you with the numbers on the actual pillow. So 4s for me are these dark purple squares. So you just have to lay them down so the middle of the square is aligned with the hole that you need to punch it into. And you just punch it in. And then you take another one and do the same thing. So I have finished it, and she has these little Velcro bits on it where you attach these little felt bits to a Velcro and then put the opposite Velcro on the actual pillow itself, and you can just attach them together. And you can make them in whatever rotation you want. So I kind of inversed the eyes because I thought it was cuter this way. But you can do whatever you want with them. You can turn them however you want. These are very simple and easy to do. Well, if you are interested in seeing more photos or to get this pattern or supplies for this project, please click the iCard or the link in the description of this video to visit our website, needlepornos.com. By visiting our website and purchasing supplies through our links, you can help us keep making more videos. So that was one kind of way to do the plush crafts. Well, one kind of plush craft that you can do. They're kind of like color by numbers. These ones are kind of like color by numbers. But this one, you have much more freedom because there are no pre-made holes for you to punch it into. So this is the second type. Instead of making holes with your little punching thing, you actually do it similar to the other one, but you have to put in a little bit more effort. Because you have to get it through a kind of plastic or foam. So it's very simple. You just need to get your puncher in the middle of the fabric and push it in. And it's pretty secure. So I'm just surrounding this little nub here where the owl's wing is supposed to go. So you don't want to cover up the nub because that would be hard. That would make it harder to put the wings in. So for the wings, there's usually this little circle bit, and you want to put your puncher in the middle of the circle bit and figure out where you're supposed to punch and then punch it in. And then his wing is on. And then for this one, I don't know if any others have these, but there's special feathers for it. There's usually indents or outdents where you're supposed to put the special stuff. So I'm going to go from the bottom up, because they're going to be overlapping, making it hard to go from the top to the bottom. So obviously this doesn't look exactly like the picture, but that's fine. Because I switched the rabbit's eyes and the fox's eyes. In the picture, the fox is supposed to have green eyes and the rabbit is supposed to have purple eyes, but I wanted my rabbit to have green eyes, not purple eyes. So I gave the fox purple eyes, and I gave the rabbit green eyes. Okay, see? Now the front is pretty much done. I will continue to do this until it is filled in completely, and it is completely done. So for the cupcake, there's a lot of different fabrics that you have to do for it. It's more complicated than the other ones because some of them have 3 colors or 4 colors, and this one has, I believe, 7 different colors of fabric and these little things. The gemstones are attached on this little like grappling hook like thing that hooks into the little attachment, like the little hole that's pre-made, so you can't get it back out after you put it in. And then you just stick the little gemstones onto the grappling hook and you're done. So for this fabric, I found it pretty hard to get it to cover the whole thing. And I think it's just the fabric type. But with the rest of them, I found it fine for them to cover the whole thing. I really enjoyed these projects because they're simple to make and not that hard to finish. I could probably do one in 30 minutes to an hour, depending on how distracted I am during the process. And yeah, I think these are great projects to do while you're bored and you have nothing else to do. And they're very fun to do and very simple. You can keep up with us by subscribing to our YouTube channel and by following us on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, or Google+. Visit our website by clicking the iCard to find the links to follow us. If you are on Pinterest, pin our projects to your wall. This is a great way to keep track of your favorite projects. Visit our website, needlepointers.com, to find lots of other kits, craft projects, and tutorials.